Doctors also say high winds can cause some health problems.
Corey Howard spent today talking to some experts.
Yeah, that's right, Doug and Shelley. If you're someone who has asthma or allergies or any other type of health concerns, you're going to want to limit your times outdoors. And the reason why is because as these winds continue to pick up, according to doctors, these high winds could carry pollen and other debris into the air, which could ultimately affect how someone is breathing. Doctors recommend if you have respiratory issues, you should go inside and make sure you have a mask handy when you come outdoors.
There's a couple of things you should do. On a windy day, it's not a good idea to open your windows or doors, especially early in the morning hours, because early morning hours is where the pollination is the highest. Second of all, what you can do is that you can use barrier protection methods. Using a mask is not a bad idea when you are outdoors. If you are going to spend a lot of time outdoors, using some eyeglasses to cover your eyes might not be a bad idea.
Now, if you live in Albuquerque, you can check the air quality index. All you have to do is just go visit cabq.gov/air quality. I'm Corey Howard in Albuquerque, KOAT, Access 7 News.